How to prepare keyboard shortcut game. If you want to prepare keyboard shortcut game, after opening the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can delete all the placeholders in the slide. After deleting it, go to Insert tab. From Insert tab, click on the shapes list arrow, rectangle, drag, click and drag to insert a rectangle shape. So after that, use Ctrl plus D, Ctrl D. Then you can go to Format tab, change the color of the shape, go to Shape Fill, you can change it to yellow, then type inside the rectangle. I want to type to cut text. Select the text and go to Home tab. Then from the font, change it to Arial Black. Increase the font to possibly 32. Then change the color of the font to black. Then you can select the second rectangle. Type to cut the text. The shortcut to cut the text is Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus X. Then select and change the font to Arial Black to make it bold. Then font size to 32. Place the first one in front of the yellow one in front of the blue. Then click and drag to select. After selecting it, Ctrl D, use Ctrl D to double it. Then if you click outside, now you see that it has double it. Then you can type another one to bold text. The shortcut to bold text is Ctrl B. That's the shortcut. Then place yellow one in front of the blue one. Select it, Ctrl D. Select it together, then use Ctrl D. Click outside and click back to underline text. The shortcut is Ctrl U. Ctrl U. Then click and drag. Select it, Ctrl D again. Place it on the other side. Click outside and separate it to save text. Save text. The shortcut is Ctrl S. And place it here. So since we have up to 4 text box, so we can now use animation. Click on Animation tab. From Animation tab, click on Custom Animation here. Custom Animation pane will appear on the right side. This is it. Then look for Add Effect. Click on Add Effect list. From there, exit. From exit, you can click on More Effect. Add Exit Effect. Dialog box will appear. From there, you can select any one you like. So, and the first text box will disappear once you click on it. Look at it. That disappear. Plus, you see what has happened. So I want to select wedge, then click on OK. Now go back to this rectangle 4, the list arrow here, click on the list arrow and you see the menu. From the menu, select timing. From timing, see, you can time it, you can use the speed. So but I want to use trigger, I want to trigger it. Click on trigger, then select start effect on, click off. The rectangle here is 4, rectangle 4, then select rectangle 4, then click on OK to trigger it. So you can see it now, that's trigger. Then the second box, add effect, exit. From exit, let me use diamond, you see it, then click on this rectangle 7, delete timing, then click on trigger, select start effect on, click rectangle 7. This is rectangle 7 because rectangle 7 appear here. This is rectangle 7, then click on OK to trigger it. You do the same thing to the rest 2 text box, add effect, exit, and pick box. From box, this is rectangle 9, click on the list timing. From timing, trigger, start effect, then this rectangle is rectangle 9, select rectangle 9 to underline. Let's trigger it. Then the last one, click on it, add effect, exit, and pick blinks. Rectangle 11, timing, select timing, then trigger, start effect on, click off the list, then scroll it to rectangle 11 because this rectangle 11, select rectangle 11 from the trigger, then click on OK. So we have successfully triggered all the 4 text box. Let's now run the slideshow. Press F5. So from there, if you click on anyone, if you want to know the shortcut, so to save text, just click on this. It will bring out Ctrl S as the shortcut. To cut text, this is Ctrl X. To bold text, Ctrl B. To underline text, Ctrl U. Get it now. So from there you can create a lot of quiz game. And that's what we have done. So you can also change the speed. Just select the 4 text. And let me change it to very fast. To be very fast. So later we still learn more how to add transition and the rest theme. By following the method you have just learned, you can create game that will look like this. You'll be playing the game and you'll be learning the shortcuts. See it now. Anyone you want to know among the shortcuts, just click on it and it will be as if you are playing game. see it now.